Brightlogic is a range of electronic chemical dosing systems and accessories designed by Brightwell dispensers for professional laundry environments. The Brightlogic systems are recognised worldwide as the most reliable, easy to use, and resilient models on the market today. Watch this video to understand some of their key features. Across the whole Brightlogic range, brushless motors are fitted within the dosing units to maximise their life expectancy and reduce maintenance costs. So far, our units have successfully passed the milestone of 22,000 continuous running hours within our laboratories, equivalent of just above 450 years of work with an average 8-minute runtime per day in a standard OPL installation. Brightwell provide a free chemical compatibility test and a large variety of tubes to suit any chemical type. Developed in-house, the co-extruded BrightChem tubing is extremely chemical compatible due to its dual layer of tubing. It is in Brightwell's culture to always choose the highest quality components available on the market. Our PCB boards are manufactured in-house using premium-grade components and the latest technology, including a resettable fuse, opto-isolated signal inputs, and protected output transistors. Thanks to their ingenious, neat, and light design, Brightlogic dosing systems can be installed within minutes. Operating the unit is very simple. The quick-release configuration enables an easy change of tube to minimise the downtime for the machine. Brightwell also provides smart connectors to fit the suction and delivery tubes to the peristaltic tube. This helps save on maintenance time and allows easy access for calibrating. Brightlogic units also feature an astute engineer's test screen to diagnose signal connections. With Brightlogic, you can name the programs as you wish to make it easier for you and for the end customer to use our equipment. The units are available in a wide range of working languages to help with navigation throughout the menu. The unique wireless feature on the Brightlogic laundry system has been designed to make those awkward-to-reach units more accessible to program. Using Brightwell's wireless dongle, you can easily program your units through a laptop. Programming or retrieving data from the Brightlogic laundry systems is easy when using the computer software. Create up to 20 programs, control the dosage, and retrieve reports in minutes. The software is available as a free download from our website. Flexible and modular, the Brightlogic system is ideal for all sizes and types of machines, from small OPL wash extractors to large commercial tunnel machines, and from card-operated models to the latest intelligent machines. Brightlogics' clever compact design helps the units fit in any laundry room, including the smallest working environments. Thanks to Brightwell's patented reversible gearbox, the unit can dose 2 products while using just 1 motor, keeping costs and use of space to a minimum. Use add-on pump modules to upgrade your unit to accommodate more chemicals. The unit will automatically change to suit the correct number of pumps. You can add both OPL and high-flow pumps. Regular training sessions are held at our headquarters in the UK, where we welcome you to participate in a comprehensive technical approach to our systems. We can also provide on-site training support to advise engineers of the best ways to apply the benefits of our dosing systems on their installation and consequently maximise the return on investment. Our sales team undertake regular technical training on our dosing units in order to provide you with the best service possible. Brightwell have developed both suction and flush manifolds. While suction manifolds allow you to distribute from one chemical drum to up to 10 dosing units, the flush manifold will use water pressure to dilute and pump your laundry chemicals over a long distance. Brightlogic units can be used in relay mode or with a Formula Select programmer. Positioned on the front of the laundry machine, the Formula Select displays the name of the wash program and can be used to prime and stop the pumps. Our suction lance allows you to distribute up to 3 dosing units from one chemical drum, keeping your installation neat and tidy while reinforcing the assembly. Connected to a dosing unit or with its own power supply, the Brightlogic low-level alarm will monitor the level of up to 10 chemicals through suction wands. It will activate a buzzer and a flashing light to alert the laundry staff if a chemical is running low. Thanks to the high level of quality and technology put together in the design and manufacturing of the Brightlogic dosing range, your laundry benefits from a reliable, flexible, and profitable system.